In today's video, I'll teach you two important tags. Number one, break tags, and number two, image tag. So let's start. Break tag, insert a single line break. If you like to have a break between lines, then you have to insert break tag. Okay. The break tag is useful for writing addresses or poems. Okay. Copying the copy the poem of William Shakespeare. Now paste over here. Then we have to give end body tag. Then we have to give end HTML tag. Now save save in desktop. File name I'm giving anything N95. Okay. Dot HTML, the file extension. Now save. Okay. Now what happened? Check the output. N95 was a file. Right click on the file, open with any browser. Right now I am using Internet Explorer. Now look what happened. This is the output. But look, poem should not be like that. So we have to use the break tag to separate the line. Okay. Going to the input once again, and here I am giving a break tag. Copying this, copy and paste over here, and again here, and save again. This time with with Internet Explorer. Not an issue. Look at the difference. Now this is look like a poem. Okay. So I think you got it. Showing you the input also, input and output together as always. This is the input. And look, I used break tag after greatness, and after greatness another line occurred. Then after great I have given another break tag, and after great another line occurred. Okay, got it. Okay, fine. Now we learn the another important tag is called image tag. HTML images are defined with image tag. Okay, the source file, the source file src, the alternate text alt, width, height are provided as attribute. These are the attributes. Example, this is the example. Image tag should start with the image tag. Okay, then should be the source file src equal sign, then we have to give the file name and then the file extension name also, like jpg, png. Okay, the file name should be within a double quoted inverted comma. And what is alt, what is alter text, I'm telling you later. This is the width, this width attribute and height attribute, definitely for the width and height of the picture. and title, what is title, I will explain you later. Okay, then I'm opening another HTML page. I have already written for you. This is the start HTML tag, head tag, title tag, whatever you know already. This is the body started, and here the image tag, then the source, and this is the file name of my picture, corona.jpg. Yes, I have already saved over here. Look at the file extension name. Right click on the photo and go to the properties. Look, this is the jpg file. Okay, and file name is corona. That's why we have written src equal to corona.jpg within double quoted inverted comma. Okay, and the function of alter text we'll discuss later. Now corona 2.html saved. Okay, corona 2 here. Open with a browser. I'm using Google Chrome right now. Look, take the mouse cursor over here. Okay, look here, name comes. Can you see name corona, because we have given the title is corona. Okay, that is why. Now I am giving, you may change the height and width. Okay, fine. And title already given corona, fine. What is the function of title, we already discussed. Now this one, the alter text. What is this? Look, if I delete the corona image file from here, okay, and now I deleted the image file from the desktop, and after that what comes? Nothing. Why? Because in input we have written nothing in alter text portion. Whenever there is nothing to show in output, the alter text will appear, because the image file already deleted from the desktop. Compare the input and output together.
If you have any query regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. And to watch my latest video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.